If you have applied for Google AdSense recently, you observe that Google is hardly accepting new blog. So I'm going to show you an alternative way to actually get approval within 24 hours. And this method doesn't require you to write long blog posts. You just have to follow the step-by-step guide I'm going to show you in this video to be able to get approval within just 24 hours. So, but I'm actually asking you for a little favor. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and implement my strategy. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you the step-by-step guide to actually get approval. So if you come to google.com, googleadsense.com, as you can see, this particular article is actually telling us that there are 3 types of websites Google can actually monetize. The first one is a blog post. You are going to build your blog, started writing content on it, and you are going to monetize this type of blog post. And the second one is a forum, probably Land and all those kind of forum websites. You can actually monetize this kind of website, but we are not really concerned about this type of website. So this website that you can actually use to get instant approval right now is a free online tool website. This website is quite okay. So if you check, let's assume that this is one of the websites like small SEO tool. If you use small SEO tool very well, you discover that Google Ads is actually displaying on this kind of website. So in today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to build something similar to this kind of website to ensure that we get AdSense approval. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. It's quite easy and quite simple. So the first step to actually build this kind of website is actually to be a developer, or you hire someone on Fiverr or other freelancing platform. But it's going to be costly and going to take a lot of your time. So but the fastest way is to come to this particular website, which is called Code Canyon. So I actually built a lot of tool websites using this particular website because with this particular website you can actually buy a lot of scripts. So we have WordPress, we have PHP scripts, we have for mobile app. If you want to build mobile app for Google Play Store, you can actually buy your script over here, and they have JavaScript, HTML, different kind of tools you can actually buy from this particular website. So you are going to click on this PHP script to actually find some of the scripts we can buy from this particular website. So I'm going to drop the link to this Code Canyon inside the description below. So you actually use my link. You are going to get a coupon code whenever you want to buy any script on this website. So let's assume that we want to buy a particular theme like temp email gen. So this is the template I actually use, temp email. So let's assume that you want to buy this kind of template. So there are a lot of scripts over here that you can actually buy. For example, trash email, you can buy this one, and the rate is the selling price is $47. This one is $38. This one is $9. So you can actually buy this script and actually create a tool website for yourself. So let's preview this. Let's preview the live template of this script. We are going to preview it to see how we are going to see. So this is the demo. Let's view the demo over here. View the demo. So as you can see, this is a tool website. You can actually buy it at very cheap at $47 and have something very similar to this and apply for Google AdSense. So I actually use this method to get a lot of Google AdSense. You won't believe it. So the first thing I have to do is to get my script from Code Canyon, and secondly I have to go to this particular website which is called Hostinger.com. So I use Hostinger to actually host most of this website. So Hostinger is very, very cheap. So you can actually get their hosting plan around $4.49 per month, and they actually are offering Black Friday now. You can actually get it. I'm going to drop the link to Hostinger inside the description below. So but if you want to be like having the website for a longer period of time, you can actually upgrade to cloud hosting. So I use Cloudways also for this kind of website because this website actually get a lot of traffic and it's not advisable to use shared hosting. So the next thing we have to do is to get our script from Code Canyon. So we are going back to codecanyon.com. As I said earlier, I'm going to drop the link to Code Canyon inside the description below. So we are going to add it to cart. Let's add it to cart. And as you can see, we're actually going to pay $47 for this script. And if you want to get additional support, you are going to add this extension, but we don't really need that. All we have to do is to go to checkout to actually buy this script. So it's going to cost us $47 for this script, and after we have gotten this script, probably you can pay with your PayPal or your credit card to actually get this trash image script. So we are going to get something very similar like this. So as you can see, this is the template. We are just going to upload the script to the hosting we got from Hostinger. So we are going to upload it, and instantly after applying for Google AdSense, I'm very certain that we are going to get AdSense approval. But not, mind you, make sure you add a menu like homepage and about us. This footer, you are supposed to add it about us, blog posts, and contact us before applying for Google AdSense. But for the purpose of those that want to build long-term business with these two websites, so you want to have something very similar to this small SEO-tools.com. So this SEO-tools.com have been in business for a longer period of time. So you can actually make this website more unique and more personal to you. You can build a brand off of it. So for you to do that, you have to come to Fiverr.com. So this is Fiverr.com. I'm also going to drop it in the description of the video. Search for PHP script editor. So we are going to hire someone on Fiverr to help us edit the template of this script and actually have something very unique, not very similar to this one. So because this one is actually common, and I'm very sure that like 50 to 100 people have actually bought this script and upload the same template. So we want to hire someone on Fiverr to actually help us to redesign the template and have it more unique and make sure that we actually rank well on Google. So I hope this video actually help you out. So for the purpose of those that will say, okay, are you actually teaching us what you are practicing? So let me show you the website I'm actually using. So as you can see, your website temp email gen is now ready to show ad and start earning. So I actually use this method to actually get AdSense approval within just 24 hours. As I just apply, I actually got approved instantly. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to get latest update from me. Anything that is working concerning AdSense, I'm going to share it here in my channel. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.